Hey guys, welcome to the Getting Started with Microsoft Excel series. In this video, I'll be explaining the different types of Microsoft Excel. This video will be helpful for those installing Microsoft Excel for the first time. Firstly, there is the free version of Microsoft Excel, which is popularly referred to as the web version or the online version. This version is not installable on your PC. That is, you can't download and install it. It's only accessible via a web browser and is available for free. All you need to do is to visit Microsoft Excel website by typing excel.new or excel.office.com in your web browser. Then you log in with your Microsoft Office account. If you don't have one, create a new account from the prompt displayed. Open a new document and you're good to go. The second type is a paid version, which can be subscription based or a one time purchase. The subscription based version is called Office 365, where you get to pay a monthly or yearly subscription fee depending on your preferred plan. This version is bundled with other Microsoft Office applications like PowerPoint or Outlook. It is accessible via the web browser and is also installable on your PC. Also, it's specially designed for collaboration and sharing purposes. For Excel one-time purchase, it simply means you are buying the latest version of the Excel application once and for all from the Microsoft Store. The latest version for now is Excel 2021 and is only installable on your desktop and not accessible via web browser. So it is not designed for collaboration but for individual use. This one-time purchase version won't also have access to recent updates and patches like the Office 365 version. So it's also worthy to know that the free version, that is Excel Online, does not have all the features present in the paid version. So here's a quick video on how to download and purchase Microsoft's Office 2021, the desktop version on your system. Visit www.microsoft.com/en-us/store to open the Microsoft Office store. And after doing that, maneuver through the pages. You will see the different edition of Microsoft Office 2021. We have the Professional Plus and the Home and Business Plus, and also the Home and Students. You have different versions. 2021 is the latest version. So, and there are varying prices. So if I click on each of them, I'll see the details of each of the edition. For example, if I click on Office and Home and Business, I'll see whatever package that comes with it, and I will be able to buy and download it, and I'll be able to give my payments information. So you can see it has Excel, Microsoft Word, it has PowerPoint in there, and